Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well and hearty. Welcome to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take home science class for the students of class 8 on the topic of chapter 8, lesson 1 and 4. I am repeating today our topic is chapter 8, lesson 1 and 4. Students, for today's class, take your home science book and open chapter 8. We are going to discuss on lesson 1 and 4. So let's discuss chapter 8, food planning. Lesson 1, name food planning, rule of selecting menu. Planning is essential to fulfill any target. Menu is the written chart of serving delicious balanced food. Menu must be decided to ensure the daily balanced food. Besides, the food of a child, patient, invited guest should be served according to the pre-planned menu. Different institutes like hostel, hospital, hotel, and restaurant should follow our menu. A good menu as well as the color, appearance, and proper distribution of foods allure our hunger. A planner menu can fulfill the necessity of the required nutrition. The major two things for preparing our menu are the taste of the eater and the facilities of cooking. So keeping in mind the taste of the eater and facilities of cooking, we can prepare a menu for the person. Moreover, we have to be careful about the following things also: age, gender, weather, season, environment, experience of the cook, division of work, uses of excess food, budget, utensils and equipment, use of recipe, etc. So while making a menu, we have to keep all this in mind. Basically, age, gender, weather, season, environment, experience of the cook, division of work, uses of excess food, budget, utensils and equipment, use of recipe. Now we are going to learn about the importance of making menu. To serve balanced food, to serve the meal attractively, to increase interest in food, to avoid monotonous diet, to serve more balanced food in less cost. Here you can see the picture. In the picture, planning menu for balanced diet. So while making a plan for a balanced diet, we have to keep various kinds of foods in the menu. Rule of making menu. The essential things for making a menu for a balanced diet are as follows. Daily meal must be selected from 5 basic food groups. Next, meal for every season of a day should be taken at least from 3 basic food groups. Animal protein must be included at least in a single meal of a day. Color, smell, taste, appearance, etc. of food have to be considered. Restrictions for different castes and religions should be followed. Personal and physical limitations such as non-spicy food for children, soft food for aged people, avoid allergic food for restrictive persons should be considered. Menu should be selected to serve food in time, saving fuel and time in cooking. So while making our menu, we have to follow all these rules. And here you can see different kinds of foods. All these are attractive foods serving by proper menu planning. Outward appearance of food must be lovely to increase appetite. To make a menu, the cost of food should be considered. If we spend 25% for fish, meat, egg and dal, 20% for milk, 20% for fruits and vegetables, 20% for rice, wheat and biscuits, 15% for oil and sugar of the total cost will get a good number menu for a balanced diet. To avoid monotony in food habit, various types of food should be placed in the menu. Now come to page number 73, students. Here we are going to discuss about lesson 4. According to government declaration, we'll learn only lesson 1 and 4 from chapter 8. So let's begin. Lesson 4, food for a child of 11 to 15 years. 11 to 15 years children are called school-going children. The physical growth of this stage is very fast. This growth is more to female children than male children, so the demand of nutrition is more to the female children. The demand of calorie, protein, vitamins, and mineral salts increases due to their increased movements. Energy is lost for the movement of the different parts of the body in sports and action. The demand of nutrition increases due to the build-up of muscle, teeth, bone, and blood of the school-going children. So students, as you are the student of class 8, you are almost in the age of 11 to 15 years old. You are school-going children, so for the development of muscle, teeth, bone, and blood, you have to take nutritious food every day. Now, the importance of nutrition for the school-going children 11 to 15 years. To maintain the normal growth, a child needs sufficient food containing protein. Food containing carbohydrate and fat is needed as a child needs enough energy for normal activities and sports. Food rich in different vitamins and mineral salts play a vital role in developing resistance power. Calcium and vitamin D is essential for the formation of teeth and bone of a child. I'm repeating, calcium and vitamin D is essential for the formation of teeth and bone of a child. The female children need more iron and folic acid than male children because female children lose huge blood every month due to menstruation. Food rich in vitamin A, B, and C play a vital role to keep skin and eye healthy. So it is clear to us that for normal height, weight, health, ability of reading, writing, and sports of a 11 to 15 years child, the presence of 6 basic food in plenty is essential. So to get enough nutrient from food, a child's daily food must be selected from each group of 6 basic foods. The things below should be maintained to make a list of food for this age group, such as they must be given major meals 3 times and nutritious tiffin 2 times a day. So it means we have to provide 5 times meal a day in a day for a child, 3 major meals and 2 tiffin, in total 5. This tiffin may be given first when he is in school and for the school time when he is at home. Then he will not face lack of nutrition. Different food from basic food groups has to be consumed in each of every main meals, that is in the meals of the morning, noon, and evening. Vegetable and animal protein must be shared in 3 meals a day. Next, protein from vegetables and animal source must be taken daily. At least in 1 meal a day, we have to take animal protein. There must be colored vegetables, sour fruits, and seasonal fruits in daily food list. Plenty of liquid food has to be taken in each meal of the day. We have to be careful in taking excess sweets and fried foods. Those who don't do physical labor or don't take part in sports should avoid these types of food. Otherwise, in childhood, they may face the problem of obesity. Now go to page number 74. Here you can see different kinds of foods. All these are nutritious food for 11 to 15 years children. Now, a list of food for 11 to 15 years child is given below. So here you can see the list. All these are for 11 to 15 years or school-going children. Look, different foods, food groups. Next, amount of 1 serving. Quantity of food for any of the following in serving: male serving and female serving. So first, different food. The first one is crops and crops equivalent food, and the amount is half cup rice, 1 grade, a pinch of love. So for a male serving, it will be 8 to 9, and for female serving, it will be 6 to 8. Protein food, and the amount is an egg, half cup boiled pea, a peach of fish or meat, 1 cup medium gravy dal, 1/3 cup nuts, and the serving amount for a male person is 3 to 5, and for a female it will be 3 to 4. Vegetables, the quantity is 1 cup green vegetables or salad, half cup various cooked vegetables, half cup boiled leafy vegetables or potato. And the serving amount for male person is 4 to 5 and for female 3 to 4. Next one is fruits. The amount is a medium banana, orange or guava or mango or half cup of sliced fruits. And the amount of serving for male and female both are same 3 to 4. Milk and milk products, 1 cup milk or curd, this also similar. For male and female it will be 2 to 4. Next, oil and ghee. The quantity is 3 teaspoons is equal to 15 gram or 1 teaspoon is equal to 5 gram. And for male and female person the quantity is 30 to 40 milliliter or 6 to 8 teaspoons. These are also similar for male and female persons serving. Last one is sweetened food item, and the quantity and the serving amount for male is in a small amount and also the similar amount for female. That means we can take a lot of sweetened food for female and male. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Please read the text again at home. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.